Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC, which is looking really good. While Bitcoin is correcting a little bit today, Polygon again is on its way up. You can see that here. Did explain to you these target levels. We did reach the ones on the lower end before, and now we are moving into this target range at the upper end. This would be rather bullish in my view. We are in a wave 3, within a wave 3, so this is indicating an uptrend, after which you would probably get a more shallow wave 4 correction before we then see a final wave 5, which could be in the region of $4 to $5 US. At the moment, I think we are going into this target range in that wave 3 here, which is lying, in my view, between the 250 and the 339 range. So here you've got between the 1.272 extension level and 200%. I did tell the channel members down here that I did buy. I think we were somewhere at 170. When I looked closer here at the Elliott waves, now we are, I wouldn't take profit before we get into the target range. I put some profit taking sell orders now on Discord, where you have a series in this yellow target box, and then also some more, let's call them more unrealistic ones or more optimistic ones higher than the box. These would be primarily for the wave 5, I wouldn't sell before we get into the target range. I'm personally convinced we are getting there. I mean, I can be wrong, but that is just my view. It's holding very strong at the moment, and it's looking completely different than Bitcoin at the moment, to be honest. So yesterday in the video that I made on MATIC, I showed you that we were probably coming down here as we failed to get into the target box really, but we did touch it pretty much, yeah. I think there were a few cents missing, so you can see that this was already fairly accurate. We are coming down now, and that we are going to find support here, or at least retest support here at 222. Now again, we did that, and we did hold the support. To tell you, if we hold the support, my expectation would be that we continue or move up into the target range. I think we needed to get a little bit of energy, needed to get a bit of steam here on the shorter term time frames to make sure that we're not getting overbought, and I think we were doing that here on the 4 hour. We were avoiding the overbought level on the RSI. You can see that we stayed below 70, and now we are even lower, so we came all the way down to 55. From here now we are getting more steam and going up higher again. You can see the same on the MACD on the 4 hour, and I mean today in today's trading day we could already reach that level. That's on the 4 hour chart, and on the daily, let's take a look at the indicators. On the daily, it's also not looking too bad. We certainly have enough scope here on the RSI to move into the yellow target range, and on the MACD as well, you know, we are going higher here, and we also can not see a bearish divergence here at the moment, because at the moment we are possibly, that's how it looks like, going to see a higher level on the MACD. Now this could be where we're finding resistance here, pretty much at 0.20 on the MACD. But again, that would possibly also allow us here to get into the yellow target range. The most likely level for me to reach here is pretty much the $3 level, the 1.618 extension at 295. That is normally what you would see in a wave 3, the 1.618 extension level of the wave 1, possibly a little bit higher. I don't think we are going to end in the lower half of this yellow box, but it also depends on what Bitcoin is doing overall at the moment, right? But generally we can see that it's not really following Bitcoin. It's a completely different pattern, because many people always say every coin is following Bitcoin. No, that's not the case, as I hopefully have shown on this channel. Also Ethereum is behaving a little bit differently, for example, and you know, a lot of other cryptos anyway. The metaverse cryptos have decoupled themselves from Bitcoin for a long time now, even though they are following now short term, but the whole pattern is looking completely different. And also here you can see that we have been outperforming Bitcoin here along the way. So just waiting really today for another good move up. Bear in mind that Bitcoin at the moment is correcting. If you've seen my Bitcoin video, you will know that Bitcoin is just correcting short term at the moment, before it then goes up a little bit more. At some point I expect then a larger correction for Bitcoin. Now that larger correction could tie in very well with the wave 4 correction here for MATIC. So you know, as I said, I think we are in a larger wave, in a wave 3 within a larger wave 3. So looking on the smaller time scale, that would look something like a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. Yeah, and this is where Bitcoin, when we reach that level, this might be when Bitcoin also decides to go down. But then, assuming this is here the right wave count and everything, in that scenario, we would assume that it doesn't follow Bitcoin too much on its way down, so it doesn't retrace too much. Let's see if that plays out. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.